Alright, it's 7 p.m. Yes. Here we are home at the night right there. Alright, here at the home at the Tatose Hotel in Westwood City. Here it is. Here it is, guys. Wow. See, this is a big hotel. Well, let's go to the hotel right there. This is right here. Subsidy the hotel right there. And there goes the monorail right there. And let's go to the monorail again. Right there. Alright, guys, here. Alright, let's go. So, here was right there. So, next one. Look at the alphabet horns with mobilization. Yay! Alright, the elevator's right there. And let's go get the parking elevators right there. I think the elevators here, the parking right there is here. Oh. Alright, let's go the elevators to the hotel right there. We got this one right here. The corner. Well, 5-5. Here we are home. 505, here we are home, and thank you for watching this trip. Man, that was long waits. And here it is. Let's get to 20. Wow, this was so fast. Here it is. Alright, let's go. Let's get to 20 floor. With the room 2002. Alright, here we go fast. Here we go. Wee. Alright, that was so fast, so very nice. Wee, that was so fast. Alright, here 20. I guess see floor, so every floor here, so. Alright, here we are home at the 20th floor. That's the room. Right, go to room 2002. So room right there. There's the elevators right there. Alright, next one with the elevators at the top right there. Alright, let's go to the room 2002. This one right here. Alright, there goes the room. Yay! And here we are at the hotel, and here the field. At Tatose Hotel, really awesome. So, alright, here we are at the hotel, and thank you for watching this trip. Yay! So there's a TV, and there's the bedroom right there. See, there's the bedroom. Alright, tomorrow go with the others here. It's 7 p.m. right there. It's 7:15 right there. Okay, so let's here at the hall, and it's time to go to sleep. And tomorrow go right there here. At the 14th December, it's already 12. Well, that's it for the trip. And see you guys already Christmas Eve for the Christmas celebration. This 17th December, it goes to 24th December. Okay, that's it for now.